So I've always wondered, how much does someone actually make in their first month of being monetized on YouTube? Well, in this video, we're gonna find out, so let's get started. So in the first month, I made $52.51 in the first month of being monetized on YouTube. Now, if you see right here, it shows RPM. Pretty much what this means is for every 1,000 views I get on a video, this is how much YouTube is gonna pay me. And it also fluctuates over time, so it may only be 50 cents one day, and it may be $5.53 the next day. So this is just kind of the average amount that is getting paid to me for every 1,000 views on my YouTube channel. Now, the playback based CPM, pretty much what that means is advertisers will pay $14.08 on average for every 1,000 views I get on my channel. Now you're probably thinking, okay, advertisers are paying me $14.08 and I'm getting paid $2.77. Where's that difference going? Well, YouTube is taking their fair share of that money to pay themselves, which is totally fine because in the grand scheme of things, this is all passive income. I'm creating content already, and if I can get paid for it, that's just a bonus. Now, let's kind of break down that $52 and see where all that money came from. So if we go here to top earning videos, we'll see my top earning video right now is the unboxing the Alienware Aurora R12. So this is an extremely expensive product to unbox. We're talking several thousands of dollars to cover this product. I actually needed it for my own setup. I didn't need it, but I wanted it. Let's be real. And so I figured, why not create an unboxing video on it, show people what it's like to get a PC like this. I made sure to have it really spec'd out, so it was kind of different style video that I've seen on YouTube, and it seemed like YouTube was willing to reward a video that was created around this product, which is great. The next video is watch before you buy this Shure MV7. So it's covering a very expensive microphone, actually this microphone you see right here. And that was also a very expensive video to do, and I only got $6.28 so far from that video. The next couple are related to PowerPoint, where it's creating a course or a template or just doing different features in PowerPoint. I made around $4.75, $4.19, $3.28, so a lot lower compared to those higher end product videos. Now, the comparison between this video and this one is actually not too different, so I can justify that a little bit more. And also, to create these bottom three videos, it was completely free. All it cost was my time to create the video, show you guys how to do it, and that's it. These others cost hard cash to actually create them because I'm buying an actual product and then showing you guys what it does, how it works and all that, but there's value behind that. So let's see more to see kind of what other videos could provide a lot of value for this channel. So if I go here and I go by the playback based CPM and we go right here, we're gonna see this $2.10.71. So that's how much advertisers are paying for every 1,000 views on that one video. Well, how much money have I made on that video so far? 81 cents. Well, why is that? I'm not getting that many views on this video because it's been posted for a while, and most of the people that wanted to watch that video have already seen it, so there's not going to be too many new viewers that are wanting to go to that video, which is totally understandable. So the interesting part though is this is how to create animated Twitter for your YouTube videos. If you would have asked me, this would be like one of the highest paying videos per 1,000 views, I would probably not guess that would be this video, just because like that wouldn't come top of mind. I would think it'd be tech related products like those top two I was showing you guys. But it's very interesting to see kind of what topics are generating a lot of money for your actual YouTube channel. So I highly recommend going into these analytics and looking at that once you are monetized, just to see kind of like what videos might be generating the most money and where or not you maybe want to double down on those to make even more money for the channel. So that's what I kind of did, to just look at all the different videos and see which ones are kind of the highest. And also, you guys, don't get distracted with the money. Make sure you are creating content that your viewers are actually coming there to see. You don't want to just create content just to make the most money as possible, because you're not going to grow that way. So don't get too distracted by it, but also if you do see a niche that is doing well and your viewers appreciate it, definitely double down on that, because we all want to make a good amount of money. I mean, at least I think most of you guys do. So that is a really cool way in how you can see how to make the most money for different types of videos. For ad types, if you see here, the highest percentage of the revenue is coming from the video ads that you can skip in the beginning. I'm not surprised by that because almost everyone sees those ads no matter what video they click on. It's just inevitable, like people are gonna see those. All these other ones, I feel like people don't see as often, or they may be clicking off the video and not have a chance to see them. So that's probably why most of the revenue is coming from those beginning video ads that you can actually skip, which makes sense. And so yeah, my estimated ad revenue, it just shows the same amount right here. And then it also shows your YouTube premium revenue. So I actually made 79 cents from someone that has a YouTube premium membership watching my videos. So if they don't have the option to watch ads, you actually get paid a little bit if they're a YouTube premium member to watch your videos, which is still pretty cool that YouTube compensates you for that. So now let's kind of see how much I made throughout the process of being monetized for a month. So in the first day, I made less than 1 penny. Imagine that, 0.001. I don't even know how that's possible, but that's what happened. You definitely can't do much with less than a penny, but I'll take it. Right after that, I made $5.04. That's quite a jump, okay? And then the next day we made $3.92. The next day, $3.45. October 14th, we made $6.86. And then on this day, we made $6.45. So there's some highs and lows. Like these days, I'm only making 50 cents. If you ask me, it's not too bad, to be honest with you guys. Like $6.86, like that's a free sandwich or a free drink, whatever you may want to use your money for. So I'll take it. And I feel like as the more content you create, the more this will grow over time. And you know, maybe you could actually make a living off this money, which would be pretty cool. All right, so that was a brief overview of how much I made in my first month on YouTube. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.